Today I'm going to start a new series where we are studying the key concepts, the key mathematical concepts that you might need when you are studying sciences, be it chemistry, physics, or but today we are going to start by looking at the concept of equating equations. Now you have to understand that when we are equating equations, we are relating two concepts. For example, let's say we have our earth here. Now there's a boy who tossed a ball, and this ball is moving towards the earth. Now we have to understand that this ball has its own mass and it is being acted upon by gravity. And the earth has its own capital letter M mass, has its own mass. And the distance from the ball towards the center of the earth is R. Now, we have to understand that to calculate the force acting on the ball as it is moving towards the earth is given by the formula force is equal to mass multiplied by gravity, where the force acting on the ball is its weight, which is W. So Fw, weight, is equal to the product of mass and gravity. So this small letter m is representing the mass of the ball. Now we can also calculate the force acting on the ball using another concept that is different from weight. So another concept we can use here is using the universal law of gravitation by, say, Isaac Newton's. We can say force due to gravity acting on the ball is equal to G, that is the universal gravitation constant, then M, capital letter M, this is the mass of the earth, multiplied by the mass of the ball, divided by the square of the separation distance. Now the separation distance, that is the distance from the earth, from the center of the earth to the body mass, the ball. So we can clearly see that we have two concepts that can give us the same answer. Now when we are equating equations, we want to link these equations. So in other words, since we are saying the weight or the force acting on the ball towards the earth is the same as the gravitational force, hence we can say force W is equal to force of gravity, to give us mg is equal to, this is small letter m, g is equal to capital letter G, capital letter M, mass of the earth, multiplied by the small letter m, mass of the ball, divided by the square of their separation distance. Now from this equation, now we can easily see that we have equated these two equations. But why are we equating equations? What is so special about equating equations? When we equate equations, we can find other physical quantities. We can find a way of calculating other physical quantities. For example, here we are saying mg is equal to gmm over r squared. This g is called the gravitational field strength. So if we want to calculate the gravitational field strength where the ball is, we can use this formula. So I'm going to divide both sides by small letter m, which is the mass of the ball. So we can easily see that m and m will cancel out. The small letter m and the small letter m at the right side will also cancel out. Hence at the end we are going to remain with small letter g is equal to capital letter G multiplied by capital letter M divided by R squared. I hope you have learned something.